What's up everybody, and welcome to yet another unboxing video. And this one is a commercial alarm, and here it is. Yep, finally something from System Sensor. It's the System Sensor SS-24LO. Brand new in box. I won this at an auction from eBay. Screws, manuals, and here it is, the alarm itself. Look at this thing. I wanted this for so long. Has the terminals to hook this thing up. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly wire this up and then we'll be hearing this. Alrighty, got this bad boy wired up and here we go. And boy, that was loud. Thank you for watching and have a great day, everyone.